Radioisotopes. You might be asking yourself, what are radioisotopes? A radioisotope is a radioactive isotope of any given element. An isotope of an element contains the same number of protons but has a differing number of neutrons. An example of a common and naturally occurring radioisotope is carbon-14. Containing 6 protons and 8 neutrons, it is one of the few isotopes of the element carbon. Beta radiation is emitted during the radioactive decay of carbon-14, although it is difficult to detect because it produces a very low energy. Beta radiation is the emission of electrons and is moderately penetrating. Carbon-14 is used in both medicine and industry, although today we will be looking specifically at its uses in industry. Industrially, carbon-14, also known as C14, is used as an essential research tool. Its dominant use is to determine the age of archaeological artifacts of a biological origin, although its accuracy of dating extends only up to the age of approximately 50,000 years. When an organism passes, it ceases to absorb C14, and the carbon-14 already present in its body decays to C12, which is a more stable form of carbon, which also has a shorter half-life. The ratio of C14 to C12 in the organism then indicates to scientists the length of time it has been deceased. It is also found useful in the agriculture and pollution control. Since carbon-14 is a naturally occurring radioisotope, it causes minimal damage to the environment and no threat to our health. On the other hand, C14 can become inaccurate and redundant once the organism has surpassed 50,000 years of age. In addition to this, the radioisotope does cause damage to human cells. However, the damage is particularly low, and considering there is radiation all around us, the body has grown accustomed to it and is able to repair any harm done. Carbon-14 is considered to be the most accurate radioisotope when it comes to dating organisms, to an extent. This title outweighs the problems associated with the central use of the radioisotope. Every radioisotope has different and distinct redeeming factors and purposes. Radioisotopes are essential to scientists in both medicine and industry, as it benefits the research and productivity in various aspects of both categories.